Hello students, I welcome you all in today's live session. Dear student, today we are going to cover three chapters: industry, agriculture and judiciary. Okay, judiciary, and here you will be given approximately 43 questions that will be of MCQ nature. Okay, and you have to reply in the comment section. You will be given four alternatives of all questions approximately. Okay, four or three alternatives, and you have to choose the correct alternative of the given question. So let's have a look over here. My dear students, these questions are very important, and for general knowledge point of view and also for the examination point of view. So watch the video till last and note down all the questions, okay, for futures. So let's have a look over here. First question is, which one of the following is not agro based industry? Okay, which one of the following is not an agro based industry? Okay, your options are iron and steel industry, cotton textile industry, jute industry or silk industry. Okay, so what will be your correct answer? You have to reply in the comment section. Okay, okay, that's good, good, very good. So the correct answer is iron and steel industry. Okay, the correct answer is iron and steel industry. It is an mineral based industry. Okay, I hope you all have done it. So it is an mineral based industry. Okay, moving to the next question. Horticulture means. Okay, horticulture means. Your options are growing of fruit and vegetables, primitive farming, growing of wheat, or growing of silk. Once more, the question is horticulture means. Okay, your options are growing of fruit and vegetables, primitive farming, growing of wheat, or growing of silk. So the right answer will be, give your reply everyone. The right answer will be what? Yes, option number A, that is growing of fruits and vegetables. Okay, horticulture refers to the growing of fruits and vegetables. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Next question is, golden fiber refers to. Okay, golden fiber refers to what? Options are tea, cotton, jute. Your options are option number A, tea, B, cotton, and option number C is jute. So which is known as golden fiber? So your correct answer is, yes, yes. Go and reply everyone. Very good. So your correct answer is jute. Okay. So right answer will be option number C. Moving next, leading producer of coffee. Which is the leading producer of coffee? Okay, which is the leading producer of coffee? Yes, Shreya, which is the leading producer of coffee? Options are Brazil, A, B, India, C, Russia, or D, Pakistan. Yes, which one of the following is the leading producer of coffee? So the right answer will be, tell me, give your reply everyone. So the right answer, yes, right answer will be Brazil. Okay, the right answer will be option number A, Brazil, and it is located in South America. Okay, South America, and its capital is Brasilia. Okay, its capital is Brasilia. Very good. So the next question is, Fort Gloucester is located in. Okay, Fort Gloucester is located in. Yes, give your reply everyone. Fort Gloucester is located in West Bengal, B, California, C, Gujarat, or D, Beijing. Okay, you have to give the correct reply of the question. Your options are option number A, West Bengal, option number B, California, option number C, Gujarat, or option D, Beijing. You have to tell where Fort Gloucester is located. So the correct answer will be West Bengal. Okay, West Bengal. And the US, it is located in India. Okay, and California is located in USA. Okay, Gujarat is located in India again, and Beijing is the capital of China, located in China. Okay, moving to the next question. Which one of the following is a natural fiber? Okay, which one of the following is a natural fiber? Your alternatives are A. Nylon, B. Jute, C. Acrylic, and D. None of the above. In once more, which of the following is a natural fiber? You have to tell which of them is natural fiber. So the correct answer will be, tell me everyone. Yes, correct answer will be what? The correct answer is jute. Okay, so option number B, jute will be correct answer. Okay, moving to the next question. Which is known as Manchester of India? Okay, which is known as Manchester of India? So your options are A. Lucknow, B. Kanpur, C. Ahmedabad, D. Bengaluru. Tell me everyone. A. Ahmedabad, B. Kanpur, C. Ahmedabad, and D. Bengaluru. So the correct answer will be Ahmedabad. Okay, the correct answer will be Ahmedabad, and it is located in Gujarat. Okay, it is located in Gujarat. Now moving to the next question, and one more thing I want to tell you here over here. You know, Lucknow is the capital of UP. Okay, and Kanpur is also industrial area and the city in UP, and Ahmedabad is located in Gujarat. Okay, Gujarat, and Bangalore is located in Karnataka, also is the capital of Karnataka. Okay, so you have to be very clear about these things. Moving to the next question. Manchester is located in. Okay, now the next question is Manchester is located in. You have to tell where is the Manchester located originally. Okay, Manchester city is located in where? So options are London, B. USA, C. Japan, or D. Kolkata. Once more, you have been asked over here, Manchester is located in where? Okay, means option number A, London, option number B, USA, option C, Japan, or option D, Kolkata. Tell me everyone. So the right option will be, the right answer will be here, and it will be London. Okay, moving to the next question. Tisco was established in which year? Okay, Tisco was established in which year? Now your alternatives are option A 1908, option B 1808, option C 1804, option D 1907. Okay, means you have been asked over here, in which year Tisco, that is Tata Iron and Steel Company, was established. Your alternatives are 1908, 1808, 1804, or 1907. So the correct answer will be 1907. Okay, correct answer will be 1907. Okay, clear everyone? Very good. You all have to reply in the comment section. आपको comment section में जाकर reply करना है. Clear? Moving to the next question. First cotton textile industry was established in. The first cotton textile industry was established in which part of India? Okay, the question is, first cotton textile industry was established in, options are Mumbai, B. Ahmedabad. C. Vadodara. or D. Kanpur. Okay, tell me everyone. Okay, so very good. So the correct answer will be Mumbai. Now moving to the next question. Okay, remember it. I have told you the correct answer is Mumbai. Moving to the next question. Salem Iron and Steel Industry is located in which state of India? Salem Iron and Steel Industry is located in which state of India? Your alternatives are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Maharashtra, or D. Tamil Nadu. Tell me everyone. Go to the comment section and tell me. Once more. Option A. Uttar Pradesh, Option B. Gujarat, C. Maharashtra, D. Tamil Nadu. So the correct answer will be Salem Iron Ore is located in Tamil Nadu. So the right answer will be option number D. Okay, so right answer will be option number D. Moving to the next question. Pittsburgh is an important iron and steel industry area. Okay, we are talking about Pittsburgh and it is an important iron and steel industry area. So it is located in which country? Okay, it is located in which country? Your options are option A Brazil, B Japan, C USA, D India. So you have to give the correct reply. Go to the comment section and give your reply everyone. Okay, so the right answer will be option C and it is USA. Okay, so Pittsburgh is located in USA. Moving to the next question. What is another name of shifting cultivation in northeastern part of India? Okay, what is another name of shifting cultivation in northeastern part of India? So give your reply everyone. Your options are here. A. Jhuming, B. Milpa, C. Ray, D. Dahiya. Okay, so you have to tell the correct answer. Means shifting cultivation is known in northeastern part of India by which name? Okay, means what is the another name of shifting cultivation in northeastern part of India? Okay, options are Jhuming, Milpa, Ray and Dahiya. So the right answer will be here and it will be Jhuming. Okay, so the right answer will be option number A. Moving to the next question. Name of shifting cultivation. Here it would be off. By mistake it had been written. Okay, so name of shifting cultivation in Vietnam is. Okay, name of shifting cultivation in Vietnam is. Options are Ray, B. Bivar, C. Konoko, D. None of the above. What is your right answer? Tell me everyone. Very good. So the correct answer is Ray. Okay, correct answer is Ray. So option number A is correct over here. And one more thing, the capital of Vietnam is Hanoi. Okay, the capital of Vietnam is Hanoi. Moving to the next question. Which one of the following is a Kharif crop? Okay, which one of the following is a Kharif crop? You know, there are three types of crop. Okay, Rabi, Kharif and Jayad. Okay, these are the three types of crop grown in India: Rabi, Kharif and Zayad. So which one of the following is an Kharif crop? You have to tell. Options are A wheat, B barley, C pea or D groundnut. So the right answer will be option number D and it will be groundnut. Okay, groundnut is an Kharif crop. Clear? Moving to the next question. Viticulture is. Okay, viticulture is what? You have to tell here. growing of wheat, growing of potatoes, growing of grapes, growing of apples. So go to the comment section and tell me everyone what is the correct answer of viticulture. Okay, so correct answer will be here growing of grapes. Okay, viticulture is known as growing of grapes. Growing of grapes is known as viticulture. Okay, clear everyone? Very good. So the next question is, which one of the following refers the production of silk? Which one of the following refers to the production of silk? Options are horticulture, pisciculture, agriculture and sericulture. Okay, which one of the following refers to the production of silk? So your answers are, options are here, horticulture, pisciculture, agriculture or sericulture. So give your reply. So the right answer will be sericulture. Okay, production of silk is known as sericulture. Okay, production of silk is known as sericulture. You know, in production of silk, the silkworms are reared on the mulberry. Okay, mulberry पर इनको rear किया जाता है. Clear? Next question is, which is the staple food crop of India? Okay, which is the staple food crop of India? Options are A, maize, B, sugarcane, C, rice or D, coffee. Okay, which one is the staple food crop of India? So your options are maize, sugarcane, rice and coffee. So the right answer will be, tell me everyone, what will be the right answer? Yes, the correct answer will be rice. Okay, rice is the staple food crop of India. Okay, moving to the next question. Beverage crops of India are. Okay, beverage crops of India are. Tell me everyone. Your options are A, sugarcane and sunflower, B, tea and coffee, C, tea and tobacco, D, coffee and sugarcane. So which are the beverage crops of India? Yes, the right answer will be tea and coffee. Okay, the right answer will be tea and coffee. These are the beverage crops of India. Okay, so option number B will be correct. Okay, one more thing, you know, beverage crops are grown for drinking purpose. Okay, grown for drinking purpose. Clear? Drinking purpose. Okay, you may note down it. Next question is, which one of the following is not the factors affecting the location of industries? Okay, which one of the following is not the factors affecting the location of industries? You know, we have studied the factors affecting the location of industry. So which one of them is not the factors affecting the location of industries? Okay, options are A, market, B, capital, C, raw material, D, smoke. Just tell me everyone, I am giving you time. So the right answer will be here, it will be smoke. Okay, you know, market is also required for establishing of industries, capital is also required and raw material is also required. Okay, so option number D will be correct. It is not the factor that affect the location of industries. Moving to the next question, which was the gas leaked in Bhopal on 3rd of December 1984? Okay, which was the gas leaked in Bhopal on 3rd of December 1984? Remember the date also, 13 December 1984. So the options are A. CFC, B. NO, C. MIX, D. MIC. Okay, tell me everyone. Very good. So the correct answer will be MIC, methyl isocyanate. So option number D will be correct, and its full form is methyl isocyanate, and it is an poisonous gas. Okay, it is an poisonous gas, and it was leaked in Bhopal. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and due to its leakage, approximately 3,000 or approximately 4,000 people were died. Okay, moving to the next question. The first cotton mill was established in Mumbai. In, you have to tell the date, you have to tell the year. In which year the first cotton mill was established in Mumbai? Okay, in which year the first cotton mill was established in Mumbai? So the options are A. 1957, B. 1854, B. 1954, or D. 1987. So which will be the correct answer? You have to tell it. So tell me everyone, which is the correct answer? So the correct answer will be, yes, try one everyone, all of you try. The correct answer will be option number B, and it will be 1854. Okay, moving to the next question. Where is the High Court of Uttar Pradesh located? Okay, where is the High Court of Uttar Pradesh located? So options are A. Lucknow, B. Prayagraj, C. Varanasi, or D. Kanpur. Tell me everyone, where is the High Court of Uttar Pradesh located? So the correct answer will be option number B, and it will be Prayagraj. Okay, Prayagraj, and its earlier name was Allahabad. Okay, clear? Moving to the next question. Supreme Court of India is located in. Okay, Supreme Court of India is located in. Options are A. Bangalore, B. Kolkata, C. Chennai, or D. New Delhi. So which will be the correct answer? Tell all of you. So the right answer will be here, and it will be option number D, that is New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi is the correct answer. Means Supreme Court of India is located in New Delhi. Okay, moving to the next question. One more thing I want to add over here, dear student. These are all the capitals. So I would like to ask you, tell the name of the state of whose capital is Bengaluru. Tell me everyone, whose capital is Bengaluru. Yes, the right answer will be Karnataka. Okay, and Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of which state of India? So it is West Bengal. Okay, and Chennai is the capital of which state of India? So it will be Tamil Nadu. Okay, and New Delhi itself a union territory and capital as well. Okay, moving to the next question. Which one of the following is not included in judiciary? Tell me everyone, which one of the following is not included in judiciary? ओके, इनमें से कौन जुडिशरी का पार्ट नहीं है? विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन जुडिशरी? ऑप्शंस आर ए हाई डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट, बी हाई कोर्ट, सी सुप्रीम कोर्ट, और डी चीफ मिनिस्टर. Yes, so the correct answer is chief minister. Okay, chief minister is not a part of judiciary, or chief minister is not included in judiciary. Judiciary is a system of court that includes Supreme Court, High Court, and District Court. Okay, where the apex court or the top court is, highest court is Supreme Court. Okay, and then after the High Court, and at the lower level District Court. Okay, moving to the next question. Judicial review of court is. I have told you it. Tell me everyone. Judicial review of court is means what do you understand by judicial review of court? So first option is check the validity of rules made by the legislature, check the rules made by itself, making of rules by court, or none of above. So which is the correct alternative of this question? Tell me. The judicial review refers to what? So the correct answer will be check the validity of rules made by the legislature. Okay, when I have told you the working of judiciary, then I have told you its working is dispute resolution. Okay, means resolving dispute, and judicial review, and upholding and enforcing the laws. Clear? So judicial review of the court is check the validity of the rules made by the legislatures. Okay. Moving to the next question. The next question is Osaka is located in which country? Okay. Osaka is located in which country? So your options are A. USA, B. Britain, C. India, or D. Japan. So tell me everyone, what is the correct answer of this question? So the correct answer of this question is option number D, that is Japan. You know, Osaka is located in Japan, and it is also known as the Manchester of Japan. Okay, so remember it everyone. Yes, so the right answer of this question is Japan. Okay, moving to the next question. Which among the following is a cereal crop? Okay, you have to tell which one of the following is a cereal crop. So the correct answer will be here. First of all, you should know the options. The options are cotton, B. sugarcane, C. rubber, or D. maize. Which one of the following is a cereal crop? You have to tell over here. So the correct answer will be option number D, and it will be maize. Okay, you know, sugarcane is commercial crop, cotton is a fiber crop, rubber is also the synthetic crops. Okay, so the correct answer is here maize. Moving to the next question. Which is the largest producer of sugarcane in India? Okay, means which state is the largest producer of sugarcane in India? Go to the comment section and tell me everyone, which is the largest producer of sugarcane in India? Options are A. UP, B. MP, C. Maharashtra, or D. Tamil Nadu. Okay, so the correct answer will be Uttar Pradesh. Okay, correct answer will be Uttar Pradesh. My dear student, you know UP is the largest producer of all cereal crops. Okay, all cereal crops, either it may be wheat, it may be rice. Okay, UP is the largest producer, and also UP is the largest producer of sugarcane in India. Okay, but if the question arises, which is the largest producer of sugar in India? Okay, if the question arises which is the largest producer of sugar in India, then the correct answer will be Maharashtra. Okay, then correct answer will be Maharashtra. Okay, moving to the next question. Which one of the following is a raw material of iron and steel industry? Okay, which one of the following is not a raw material of iron and steel industry? Okay, which one of the following is not a raw material of iron and steel industry? So options are A. coke, B. iron ore, C. fiber, or D. limestone. So tell me everyone, which will be the correct answer, means which is not the raw material of iron and steel industry? So the right answer is here. So it will be fiber. You know, coke, iron ore, and limestone are the raw materials of iron steel industry, and fiber is not a raw material of iron and steel industry. Moving to the next question, Bhadravati steel plant is located in which state of India? Okay, you have to tell Bhadravati. Okay, is a steel plant located in which part of India or which state of India? So the right answer will be, you have to tell what is the right answer. Options are here: A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, or D. Goa. So tell me everyone, Bhadravati iron steel plant is located in which part of India? So its correct answer will be option number B, and it is Karnataka. Okay, Karnataka. Bhadravati steel plant is located in Karnataka. So alternative B will be right. Okay. Moving to the next question. Muslin, a hand woven cloth, is located is produced in which place? Okay. Muslin, a hand woven cloth, is produced in which place? So you have to tell here. Your options are Dhaka, B. Surat, C. Calicut, or D. Gujarat. So tell me everyone, which is the correct answer? So the correct answer will be Dhaka. You know Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh, and the muslin, that is the hand woven cloth, is very world famous. Okay. Once more, muslin is a hand woven cloth and it is produced in Dhaka, that is world famous for its design. Okay. Now moving to the next question, which one is natural fiber? Okay, which one is natural fiber? So go to the comment section everyone and tell me which one is natural fiber over here. Options are A. Nylon, B. Polyester, C. Rayon, or D. Silk. So I have told you two types of fiber, and one is the natural fiber and one is the man-made fiber. So you have to tell which is the natural fiber over here. So the correct answer will be option number D, and it is silk. Okay, it is silk. You know silk is the natural fiber, and these three are nylon, polyester, and rayon are the man-made fiber or artificial fiber. Moving to the next question. Ahmedabad is located at the bank of river. Okay, you have to tell the bank of river at which Ahmedabad is located. So tell me everyone, which is the correct answer. Your options are A. Ganga, B. Yamuna, C. Sabarmati, or D. Narmada. Okay, tell me which will be the right answer. On which bank of river Ahmedabad is located? So your correct answer will be river Sabarmati. Okay, Sabarmati. So the alternative C will be correct. Moving to the next question. Manchester of Japan is, tell me the name. Earlier I have told you in this session. So which is Manchester of Japan? Good. So the right answer is Osaka. You know Osaka is the Manchester of Japan. Okay. Osaka is the Manchester of Japan. So here right answer will be Osaka. Okay. Moving to the next question. HYV stand for. Okay. HYV seed stand for. What will be the full form of HYV? So your options are A. High yield variety, B. Hot yield variety, C. High yield variety, or D. Hard young variety. Once more, what will be the full form of HYV? Seed is given already, so you have to tell the full form of HYV. Okay, so the right answer will be here. It will be high yield variety. Okay, high yield variety. So option number C will be correct. Okay, moving to the next question. shifting cultivation in Brazil is known as. Okay, tell me everyone. Shifting cultivation in Brazil. You know shifting cultivation or primitive cultivation. Okay, so shifting cultivation in Brazil is known by which name? So your options are A. Roca, B. Ladang, C. Milpa, or D. Dahia. So tell me everyone, which is the correct answer? So the correct answer will be here option number A, and it will be Roca. Okay, so in Brazil shifting cultivation is known by the name Roca. Okay, moving to the next question. PIL stand for PIL stands for what is the full form of PIL? So the correct answer is, first of all, see the options: People India League, Public India League, Public Interest Litigation, or People Interest Litigation. So tell me the correct answer everyone. Once more, PIL stands for People India League, okay, Public India League, Public Interest Litigation, or People Interest Litigation. So the correct answer will be Public Interest Litigation. Okay, Public Interest Litigation. Okay, Public Interest Litigation. So the correct option will be C. Moving to the next question. Right to life is mentioned in which article of the Indian Constitution? Okay, right to life is mentioned in which article of the Indian Constitution? So options are A 20, B 21, C 22, or D 23. So these are the articles given over here. So you have to tell the correct answer. Right to life. Okay, right to life is mentioned in which article? Okay, so the correct answer will be option number B, and it is 21. You know, article number 21 of the Indian Constitution, provisions for right to life to the citizen. Okay, so make it very clear everyone. Right to life is mentioned in article number 21. Moving to the next question. High Court of Uttar Pradesh was established in. Okay, High Court of Uttar Pradesh was established in which year? Options are 1866, 1896, 1800, 1986, or 1966. So tell me the correct answer everyone. So the correct answer will be 1866. Okay, so the correct answer will be 1866. So here option number A will be right. Okay, moving to the next question. Supreme Court of India. Okay, Supreme Court of India was established in which year? So tell me everyone. Supreme Court of India was established in which year? Options are A 1980, B 1960, C 1970, D 1980. Okay, you have to tell in which year Supreme Court of India was established. Your options are 1980, 1960, 1970, or 1950. So the correct answer will be 1950. So the right option will be option number D. Okay, option number D will be the correct answer of this question. Okay, moving to the next question. Judiciary is independent. It means that I am leaving this question on you all, and I am giving you the proper time. So you have to give the correct reply of this question. Judiciary is independent. Okay, judiciary is independent. It means that, इसका मतलब क्या है, मैं आपको ठीक से समझा देता हूँ एक बार. जुडिशरी इंडिपेंडेंट है मतलब वो स्वतंत्र है. इसका मतलब क्या है? it is out of control, it is free from India, it works freely on the basis of constitution. Here it is basis, okay, basis of constitution, or it works under the central government. So you have to tell which is the correct alternative of this question. Okay, very good. So the right answer is it works freely on the basis of Indian constitution. Okay, so option number C will be correct. Very good. Moving to the next question and the last question of the session. Which is not a work of judiciary? Which is not a work of judiciary? So see here, first option is dispute resolution, B judicial review, C upholding and enforcing laws, D making rules. Okay, so the right answer will be option number D, because you know the role of judiciary or work of judiciary is only these three. Okay, means it resolve the disputes, it takes the judicial review, or it uphold and enforce the laws. Okay, and making of rule is the work of the legislature. Okay, it may be the parliament or it may be the state legislative assembly. So I hope you all have learned this question and you all have liked the videos. So thanks for watching everyone.